sometimes when we want to take the antiderivative of a complicated function, we can make the integration easier by using the technique of U substitution. For example, if we're trying to find the antiderivative of 2x both raised to the 3 power, we could transform this into a simpler power function just by making the substitution u equals 2x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the 2x with a u. And bring everything else down as it was. Now it's a power function, which we know an antiderivative for. However, there's just one problem. We notice that the variable of integration is u, but the variable in the differential is x. And we need those to match, otherwise we can't perform the integration here. So in order to make them match, what we'll do is we'll analyze the relationship between the differentials, du and dx. So let's find the derivative of u. Well, according to our definition here, u was chosen to be 2x. So taking the explicit derivative here, du over dx would be 2. But now we want to separate the differentials. And we want to solve our equation for dx. So we'll get du equals 2dx. And then finally, 1/2 du equals dx. And the whole reason why we're solving for dx is because we don't want the dx in our integrand anymore. We want to replace it with something better. We'd rather get du in there, and that's exactly what we'll do. We'll substitute out the dx and replace it with 1/2 du. So we'll get u to the third times 1/2 du. Now all the x's are gone, and that's actually what we need. We need everything in terms of u, even the differential. Now that we have that, let's go ahead and integrate. We can bring our 1/2 out front. And our antiderivative will be u to the 4th over 4 plus c. Simplifies to u to the 4th over 8 plus c. Now that's good. We made a lot of good progress so far. However, the original problem asked for the antiderivative of 2x both raised to the 3. It didn't talk about u. U was something that we arbitrarily introduced in order to make the integration possible. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our original definition of u as 2x, and then we're going to replace the u in our final formula with 2x. So we'll have 2x to the 4th over 8 plus c. And that will be our final answer.